Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is PJ. Inside this video I'm going to show you another powerful strategy that can really help you to boost your trading profit every day. As you can see, we have installed this particular indicator on this particular chart, and I want to explain the reason why we have it here. You can see that we have our trend, our different indicator that help us to identify the trend of the market, and we also have this our trend identification here on our charts. And what you are going to see is that anytime we have a downtrend movement like this, what we have here between year to year, we can see that it's a downtrend which move from year to this particular zone. And anytime we have an uptrend, we are going to see that the trend is going to align with what we have here. So it's going to move from this particular zone up to this particular zone, and we can see that our trend is giving us a uptrend totally. And we use this particular indicator here to identify the uptrend of the market, and we also use this particular blue line here to identify the uptrend of the market. So immediately it appears on our arrow indicator that we have an uptrend. We can also see the blue arrow on that particular trend also appear on that particular zone. So this gives us a strong confirmation around this particular area for the uptrend signal, and we can see that it respects it a lot up to this particular moment. And currently now we are having a downtrend, and we can see our signal here that's currently now is moving on a downtrend. So at this particular trade now, we are going to be taking a downtrend for this particular trend. And if we are going to be seeing more of these on our backtesting on previous trade, we can see that our downtrend appear to be here, which it have shifted to up to this particular moment. And we can see that our downtrend start the move from here, goes here, and then pull back a little bit, then give us another trend. We can see that we have our identification number here for another accuracy for you to enter the second opportunity if you miss this second one, and we have the second one here, so for you to enter. So it appears when this particular candle appear here, it appear at that particular zone to tell you that this particular trend is going to end very soon. It's going to end very soon. We can see that. So we can see, let's go back, let's check for more. We can see this that our uptrend level here, it start from this particular zone. Here, and we can see that our uptrend starts movement from this particular zone up to this particular moment. And we can see that the trend which we have here also is which identified to be our blue line here, it also start from this particular zone. So this make this region so more stronger, so to this particular zone, so it make it so stronger. So you can see that the blue line keep on making a trend up to this moment. And we can see that we have another confirmation, our last entry opportunity here, which identified to us that we can go for a buy entry at this particular spot. We can see that. So this is how this perfect indicator works. And also you can get this particular indicator. You can see, but for every trend we also always have this particular our last opportunity to enter the trade. We have it for this particular buy zone, and we also have it for this particular sell zone. So this indicator is one of the powerful indicators that help you to analyze your markets very well. This is what you can help yourself with, and I know that you can identify your key zone for you to enter your market successful. So to get this particular indicator, I will drop the link on the description of the video. You just join my Telegram group and you're going to get access to this indicator. So this indicator is not for free, but you can get it very avoidable price. You can get it at, it's very avoidable, guys. It's very avoidable. So this is one of the best smart indicator that you can see, and which can help you in a massive way to make daily profit. Thanks you guys. See you guys in our next video.